This is Jaguar XE. It has a starting problem. No ignition, no crank. Its headlight is working, and some other features are also working, like emergency parking is also working. It means this is not a battery problem. Battery is completely charged. We need to check some other things, like we have to check fuse and relay. This is ignition relay. We need to check if ignition relay has a power or not, or it is working or not. This is also a fuse box located on the left side. We'll check it later. We have to check power supply on each fuse box. Each fuse. Or this is keyless entry module, and this is a fuel pump relay module. It is a battery junction, power supply distributor junction. These modules are related to music system. I think Bluetooth module and all. This is the battery, and this is the rear fuse box. I didn't found anything wrong over here. Check battery power supply. It's also good. 12.22 something, which is good. It is a fuse distributor box. From here, every power supply goes to every module, which also have no problem. Everything is good. Power supply is going good. We need to check some fuses which are related to ignition. This is a transmission fuse box. It is also power supply. No problem at all at fuse of transmission. These two 5 ampere fuse are related to engine to turn on the engine control module. It has no power supply because this fuse got feed power supply after ignition turned on. These 15 amperes fuse are also related to check engine light, means this also related to power supply of engine control module. It also has no power supply. After checking all the fuse, I think ignition is not turning on, due to which some fuse did not get power feed from the BCM control module. Because I have checked every fuse. Some fuse have no power supply, some relay have no power supply. This is fuse box located behind the dashboard. I also check these all fuse. These are all okay. And this is the BCM which is faulty. We need to change this BCM module because it has a gateway module inside which is not responding.